What's up, everybody? Welcome back to So Kiki, y'all. Teach you how to make different things, fun things, keeping it real, keeping it G. You hear me? So the first one, y'all ate up, was how to make a line do-rag. So I'm gonna give y'all another one, which is how to make a unlined do-rag. I'm hyping it. Y'all see the title. It's just how to make a do-rag. The first one was a line one, this one wasn't a line one. If y'all was able to comprehend and actually complete the first one, this one is going to be hecka easier. That one had 2 steps. It was a more of an elevated type do-rag. You can make like a reversible if you wanted to, or you could just have like a velvet on the inside and like satin on the outside type situation, vice versa. But this one is going to be a single layer do-rag, you know what I mean? For something quick, something fast, you hear me? So let's get started. Alright, dang, y'all. Sorry about the lighting. I had to do something different, but whatever. So, step 1, you're going to lay the pattern out. Make sure it's nice and even. But first, let me show y'all. You want to do this on 2 cuts of fabric. Meaning, you just about to fold that bad boy over. Hot dog style. Like that. Then lay your pattern on top.